Abot kayang motorsiklo para sa Pilipino, nandito na ang Eurosport E110. Cash price, 36,800 piso. Down payment, 2,500 piso. In category, underbone. Description, available colors, black. Engine type 4-stroke, single cylinder. Bore and stroke 52. 4x 49.5. Displacement 110cc. Compression ratio 9.0. Fuel system CARBURETOR. Cooling system air. Transmission 4 na speed. Dimensions at capacity. LXWX H1880 by 700 by 1065. Ground clearance 138 manam. Fuel capacity 3.6 na litro. Dry weight 73 kulang. Frame type UNDERBONE. Front suspension telescopic fork. Rear suspension swing arm. Front wheel 2.50 hanggang 17. Rear wheel 2.75 hanggang 17. Front brakes drum brake. Rear brakes drum brake. Performance. Max output 5.2 kilowatts, 7,500 revm. Max torque 7.0 Nm, 5,000 revm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Godbless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.